gonna stick this camera up in the middle of this bush. I just want to see if y'all can hear the bees. To get a head start on my evening work. It's about 10 till 7. I just made bread. Now I'm going to make my goat's herbal dewormer dosage balls. And what that is just, it's the herbs that I use for their dewormer, and then I add molasses and roll it into balls so that I know that they're getting the correct dose. And I have my bone broth in the crock pot. And I'm gonna wash some eggs here in a minute. Tomorrow is our homeschool co-op day. I sell the eggs at homeschool co-op, and that more than pays for our feed each week for our chickens. Very exciting to me. Hi, you wanna help? You wanna help me? I love you. Look. That's just molasses that I'm gonna add. You can add honey, you could add oats. You can roll these in slippery elm, but my goats seem to just take them just fine without the slippery elm or the oats. There's Art. He's been working on something. I have no idea what. Hey, what have you been working on?
Chainsawing.
What kind of chainsawing?
Manly chainsawing.
Hopefully these chickens will let me check these eggs. I have tried to check them quite often today, and they are always on their nest box. So hopefully we can get an empty nest box. Oh, good. Beautiful. I already got 6 today, so we'll see what this comes up to. I need quite a few dozen for tomorrow. I'm actually going to be short because we gave so many away. Well, are you heralding in the night? We also ate a whole bunch of them, more than we usually do. So I may not be able to get 4 dozen. I need at least... Well, okay, Wyatt. I need at least 4 dozen to kind of fulfill my regular orders. But then I always bring... So many interruptions. I always bring extra because I never know when I'm going to sell a few more dozen. A lot of y'all have wondered about our injured rooster, and here he is. He's doing great. He still has a limp. But even when we put him in with the other chickens, he does fine. They don't really attack him so much anymore. But a lot of times he gets kind of free rein out here until evening time. What's wrong? Do you want a snack? Well, which one do you want? You want it? What? What do you want, bright boy? But I don't know what it is. I thought this is what you wanted. can open it. I know you know how. You're pointing to water bottles. You want some water? Let me get you some. Is that what you wanted? Yep. That is a really cool card. Did you make that yourself?
Yeah.
You burned the edges? Was that your idea?
Yeah.
I really like it. What do you have? Your sword. I need to go put the goats up. I'll be right back. They are ready to go, they say.
Yeah.
Let's turn the fence off.
Okay.
Don't touch, it's on. Fence off. Although this isn't really early to put them back in the barn, it's actually early for me to separate them for the night. I know like our ideal image of farmers is that they get up at the crack of dawn and go milk their animals. And we do get up at the crack of dawn, but that's not what time we milk our animals. We like to put them up late and milk late because that works better for our schedule, except on homeschool co-op day. I have to milk really early. So they will be being separated early tonight. And there they go. So dark in here. The first thing I do is I put Flopsy in this stall. And then if I'm lucky, she won't get out before I shut the door. She's not always this.
Yeah.
They know it's a little early for this, so they're a little bit confused. Ah.
Hey, Flopsy. Okay. Listen up.
That's the hardest part, is just getting her in. Are you still filming me?
Mm-hmm.
Then I just pick up one little one at a time. Lady Rosie Winter, go in there with Flopsy. And then everyone else goes in the big stall. Go in.
Love you next.
You got her?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, you can go in there. Okay, now that I have everyone in here, I actually go through the gate and do everything with the gate open so that I don't have to come in and out of all these doors. Fresh clean water for everyone for the night. It's pitch black dark, but y'all can't see this, but you can hear it. Filling up hay bags. Making sure everyone has hay for the night. Thanks. Come on. Good girl. All right, Miss Esmeralda. Go on. Go on. So I'm doing my final check for the night. Check the hay. Check everyone out. Moonbeam actually doesn't go in a separate stall. She goes inside this little crate at night. Hey, Miss Raven. Raven stays in here too. Good night, mamas. This is the mama stall mostly. Good night. Good night, sweet girl. Hey, Miss Raven, you want to be in the spotlight. Okay. Look at that sky. That's amazingly beautiful. Come show me your tadpoles. You put them in the swimming pool. Whoa.
I accidentally got some eggs.
Those are beautiful. Golly, there's hundreds, don't you think? There's a bunch over there too. There's gonna be frogs everywhere. Are we gonna put them back in that pond? I think we should probably put them back in there eventually.
Oh.
So that they have a better chance of survival.
Or a bigger space, more space.
Yeah. You want me to be quiet?
Yeah, because I like listening to the evening sounds.
Okay. I love her. I'm gonna walk up here and see if all the chickens are put away. That way I can just go ahead and put them up. The reason I keep Moonbeam in that crate, in with Esmeralda, is that it was stressing Meralda out so much to have her baby separated from her that I just leave them together and it totally works out.
What are they doing?
Jumping on the bed.
Oh, I'm coming.
So now I'm gonna check on the baby chickens, the little chicks. Ooh, they don't like the heat lamp. Look at them way over there. The heat lamp is way over here. And maybe I'll just turn that off and check on them in an hour and see what they do. They have lots of water and food. I'm gonna straighten their food up a little. Good night, little chicks. I'm gonna turn off your heat lamp. Absolutely do not want to forget that right there. And one of the main reasons is because of that right there. I often check on the chicks later in the night too, so I'll just check on them in an hour or so and make sure they're still warm. And make sure this fence is off. All the chickens are in. So that means we can just put them to bed. Now, let's see. It is 8:20. I'm gonna work on my last two chores. Well, my last two kind of official chores. I still have a lot to do of the evening, but I'm gonna get this bread finished up and the eggs washed. Can you put the last one in?
Yeah.
Try not to squish it. Don't pat it down. Thanks for your help. Go brush your teeth. Thank you. Good job brushing. Let me finish up for you. You're silly.